Yeah, it's okay. It's okay to take an L.
You don't gotta start swinging.
Exactly.
Kevin, did you listen to anyone when you bought the $900 shoes? No. Now get the fuck out of my face.
Okay, but they're hot.
That
right?
is
everyone,
worse.
Everyone
That
has
is
agreed.
worse,
That,
Kevin.
everyone has agreed
Kevin,
that
that is
they look
worse.
good.
That
That's
is
the argument
worse.
at hand. The argument at hand. The argument at hand is, does it look good? Right? This shirt does not look good. The shoes that I bought look good. Okay?
You can start barking. You can start
We
barking.
got him.
You start
We got him,
barking.
Matt. We got him, boys.
Feeds you fucking money.
We got him,
and all
boys.
you do is buy fucking shoes.
We got him, boys. We got him.
Thanks, bro.
We got him.
God.
Yeah, what did you do? What did you
It's
do
like
the
I'm
first
in
time
the
you got money?
MW2
You bought
lobby.
a shit ton of ugly ass clothes and you bought a DX
Oh, I get
racer. Suck my dick.
Shut the fuck up, bro.
It don't matter if it's cheap or expensive, bro. It looks like shit.
All the shit I bought
Damn.
isn't even $900.
You wear your fucking dumbass PacSun chinos with your spray shirt with
Wait,
your dumb
I will
words on
not.
the fucking
PacSun chinos are hot.
No, chinos are hot, but they're not hot when they're so fucking big that he's gotta cover up to his fucking calf.
What do you say?
Dude's wearing his fucking tucked in shirt looking like an orangutan, fucking upper body's half the fucking two times the size of your.
You said I was looking good. It was just you, man.
Damn!
I'm better than you. You're mad. I'm a better you.
You're not a better me! You're just not! You're just not! Yo, I'm not mad! You're the one getting mad! You're heated.
The top fucking shirt look better than you.
Ah, you mad! Ah, you mad! You mad! Ah!
Get him mad. Let's go, baby. You mad? You mad? I'm
Fucking
stunning on you.
pussy!
You mad?
You're
I'm
not stunting on
you.
no one!
I'm stunning on you.
Gio, who you stunting on? Who? Who are you stunting on?
You
Okay,
feel
man.
threatened with my fucking.
I don't feel threatened at all! It's alright.
Bro.
It's alright. We know who's
You got me
looking
hot,
good.
bro.
We know.
You got me hot. You got me hot.